Hello everyone, this is Specky Foodie. Today's menu will be sweet and sour pork. Very tasty dish you can find almost everywhere in Singapore. My apology that there is some issues to the preparation video, but no worries. The recipe is simple. Do try it out and enjoy your meal. Let's go cooking. Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Cut the pork into bite size. You can remove the fats if you want. Mix the marinade together with the pork and set them aside for at least 20 minutes. Cut the bell peppers into cubes. Cut pineapples into bite size. Remove the seeds of the cucumber and cut into bite size. After 20 minutes, coat the pork with the cornstarch and flour mixture. That's all for the preparation, and the cooking begins. Add in 2 cups of oil into a pot. Use a wooden chopstick to check if the oil is ready. When you see bubbles forming, add in the pork at medium heat. Do not overcrowd the pot. Cook in batches. Fry them until light brown and remove them. Once all the batches are cooked, turn heat to high. Add in all the pork to remove the oil trapped inside. Stir them for around 10 seconds and remove the pork. Heat up a wok at high heat and add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in garlic and stir till light brown. Add in the bell peppers, cucumbers, and pineapples. Stir fry for 10 seconds and add in all the condiments of the sauce. Prepare the cornstarch solution and add in a little at a time. Once the consistency is what you want, turn the heat to low and add in the pork. Coat the pork with the sauce. That is done. Let's eat. Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!